But somebody is reducing you. Somebody is reducing you. You are set free.
Amen.
Your container is supposed to be coming from different angles. Right now, you are having problem in the business. Am I speaking to him? Am I able?
Yeah, first time.
Your company is supposed to be everywhere. A lot of white people supposed to be doing business with you.
Yes, sir. I'm in UK.
You are having problem already. We will not allow it. You have the glory of God. Power. When you cooking a belly of like this, Messiah, Abudika Kibo, Odogo Kibo, Odogo Kechi, Odogo Kechi, power. Oh, yeah, Tishara.